ate, kamusta? Long time no see.
Eto, okay lang. Busy sa college. Ikaw ba?
Ito po, graduating na ako sa senior high. Saan kaya pwede mag-college?
Ano bang hanap mo?
Yung free tuition sana tapos nag-offer ng business courses, especially ABM yung strand ko.
Dito ka na sa BU.
Talaga ba ate? Maganda sa VU?
Bicol University is one of the universities in the Philippines regarded as the highest caliber. Aside from it offers free tuition, the university delivers top-notch instruction through its qualified faculty and staff who have a genuine passion for teaching. Bicol University produces numerous professionals in various fields. The aforementioned institution opens many doors of opportunity for young people and aspiring professionals, which may minimize the obstacles they face in achieving their own aims and their common goal, which is the enhancement of everyone's circumstances. That's why I, with my team, considered this university to be part of our lives due to the fact that this university can feed us the education, assistance, or guidance that we need in order for us to achieve our dreams. Diba gusto mo ng business course? Bicol University also offers business courses under SIBEM. SIBEM is located under South Street, Daraga, Albay. The Bicol University College of Business Economics and Management offers business courses for the ABN Economics, BS Accountancy, BS Entrepreneurship, BS in Management, BSBA Financial Management, Human Resources Development Management, Marketing Management, Microfinance, and Operations and Service Management. The four departments that make up BCBM are the Department of Economics, the Department of Management, the Department of Entrepreneurship, and the Department of Accountancy. A variety of organizations are available for students to join at BCBM. These groups include the Operations Management Club, Junior People Management Association of the Philippines, Junior Marketing Association, Junior Institution of Management, Junior Financial Executives, Junior Philippines Institute of Accountants, Economic Society, Young Entrepreneurship Society, Peer Counselors Organization, and the Athletes. These organizations conduct community outreach and academic and socialization events. Good afternoon, everyone. So I am here today with my fellow entrepreneurship students, and we will ask them a few questions about the entrepreneurship class. How are you?
We're fine.
Okay, so the first question is, why did you choose the BS Entrepreneurship class?
I chose BS Entrepreneurship because I want to build my own business without having a boss. Wherein I can follow my passion by transforming those ideas into business opportunities. With my course, I will be able to close a market gap in my community.
Okay, so what are your experiences as a BS Entrepreneurship student?
So, as a BS Entrepreneurship student, I have already developed and acquired the skills, the knowledges. Entrepreneurship student, I have already developed and acquired the traits, skills, and knowledge that are truly essential for an individual to be an entrepreneur. So, with the lessons, the discussions, or the topics inside the room, and with the events inside and outside the university, together with its key partners, some who will help us to gain more wisdom and experiences. There are more doors of opportunities to be entered, the more obstacles or challenges to surpass, and the more the experiences that the university gives, the more knowledge that we gain, the more closer to what we aim.
For what you are,
Or for who you are.
you are accepted. Kaya mag-BU ka na.
Ang interesting naman po pala ate sa VU. Kapag nag-open po sila, mag-a-apply na talaga ako.